Hello, welcome friends. Fever remedy share with you. Today I share some fever remedy about specially intermittent type. First of all, that is China. Shinkon official is the well-known remedy for intermittent fever. This remedy specially for intermittent fever mainly, but here exact clear-cut stages present and thirstlessness, especially in heat and chill stage. With sweat there is thirst and anorexia, loss of appetite. But in chill stage there is increased hunger. And with that, patient suffers from active mind, too much thinking, too much planning about the future, about the next day, always happens in their mind, in their brain. Periodicity in other day, always in other day. Next, after that we go and chilly patient. In China is chilly patient but desire uncover always. Next we go Chininum arsenicum. There is continuous type of fever. Chininum arsenicum continuous type of fever with oscillating type temperature, and arsenicum like some feature present, that is anxiety, thirst, mistrustful behavior about company, so likes company and of even dislike, aversion to company, and patient suffers some gastric disorder here in Chininamars, that is liver tenderness, gastritis, heartburn, flatulence present here, and morning present like Bellona. Here we get morning. All complaints in Chininum are better during rest like Bryonia. Chininum are complaints better during rest like Bryonia. And there is strong disagree to eggs. Strong disagree to eggs. Next we go Chininum mure. Chininum mure is intermittent fever, and fever arises at 5 am regularly, and there is headache. Patient suffers from headache. Headache better by motion. Headache better by motion like Rastux we get in Chininum mure. And thirstless. Patient is thirstless and patient desire salty food and warm drink. Salty food and warm drink patient desire. After that, Chininum salicylicum. Chininum salicylicum is especially intermittent fever with ear problem, that is deafness, tinnitus, Maynard's disease here present. Chininum salicylicum. Next we go Chininum sulph. Chininum sulph specially for dengue fever. With fever there is exact periodicity present, that is patient sometimes say the exact hour of heat coming, exact hour, and there is lot of bone pain, spinal sensitiveness, backache present. Patient chilly and desire covering. We get in China patient chilly and desire uncovered, and Chininum sulph patient chilly but desire covering. Here is thirsty and yawning and sneezing patient, that is prodome. Yawning and sneezing in Chininum sulph. Yawning and sneezing after chill, that is during fever present here. After that we go, that is last medicine for today, eucalyptus. Eucalyptus specially for influenza like fever, relapsing like fever, continuous typhoid like fever, Here patient suffers from catarrh with intestinal problem and hemorrhage. This combination preferred eucalyptus. Catarrh, that is continuous discharge from nose never stop running, and intestinal problem, nephritis, dysentery, blood dysentery, hemorrhage, this type of feature present in eucalyptus. Okay, that is enough for today, and I share you some information that is about my online class, and next online class in 22nd May about some metal remedy. If you want to join with me, please write in my Facebook page. Okay, good night.